Happy Sunday, friends and families. How are you all doing? I hope you've had a fantastic day so far. So today I'm back again with a new video and a new recipe to share with you guys. Yes. So today's recipe is how to make spicy garlic and herb grilled shrimp. Yum. And as always guys, I'm pretty sure if you watch the video till the end you will love this recipe and you may want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So first I'm going to start by creating my marinade for the shrimps, and the ingredients are a handful portion of fresh coriander chopped, 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic grated, 1 tablespoon of grounded black pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, zest of 2 limes, half grated of Scotch bonnet pepper, a teaspoon of chili flakes, some salt to taste, juice of 2 limes, and finally 100 ml of olive oil. And I'm going to follow up by giving it a good mix until it's well mixed. Then I will taste it to make sure the salt level is to my desired taste, and if not, I'm going to add a bit of salt and give it another mix to make sure the salt level is okay. And now that my marinade is done, I'm going to proceed by showing you the kind of shrimp I'm going to use today, and this is how they looks like. They were actually quite expensive to buy, but I managed to get just under 1 kilogram, and I was able to get 6 skewers worth of shrimp. So guys, I'm now gonna proceed to pour the marinade into the shrimp and then giving it a nice mix. But if you are doing the same as me, be careful not to mix it hard, as you may end up taking the tail out. So mix it gently until well coated, and once it's well coated, cover it and let it sit for 2 hours. And while my shrimp is marinating, I'm going to quickly show you how to make a nice dip for the shrimp. And the ingredients are a small portion of fresh coriander chopped, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of chili flakes, another half grated of Scotch bonnet pepper, yes guys, some salt to taste, and here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. But if you can get hold of oyster sauce, you can compromise by using brown sauce or add in some tamarind paste. Then follow by giving 1 tablespoon of honey, and if you can get hold of honey, you can always use some brown sugar, and then a juice of 1 lemon. And finally I'm going to add 50 ml of unsalted melted butter, and then I will give it a good mix until it's well coated. Give it a taste to make sure the salt level is okay or the overall taste is good. Then I will follow it by covering it and set it aside for later. And now it's time to skewer our shrimp, and it's been 2 hours since it's marinating. Then I'm going to follow up by giving it another mix. Then to that I will start to skewer them. The skewers I'm going to use today are metal skewers, and this is how they looks like, and I'm using the flat version of this type of skewers. And next it's time to start to skewer my shrimp, and the best way of doing this is start from the head, as you can see it in the video, and work your way to the tail. That way you will end up with a nice round shape for your shrimps. So I'm gonna continue to skewer my shrimps until all is done. Then from there it would be time to drizzle the remaining marinade onto the shrimp, followed by taking it to the grill.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride.
Okay guys, before I start to grill, I want you guys to know I'm using an electric grill, and I'm going to do this indoors. And if you are doing the same, make sure to turn your fans on and also to open your windows to avoid the excessive amount of smoke. Then once your electric grill comes to a temperature, use some oil to brush all over your grill. This will stop your shrimp from sticking. And once it's done, place your shrimp onto the grill and cook it between 2 to 3 minutes before turning it. Make sure to respect the amount of time, as shrimp does cook very quickly, and if you don't take care, it will taste rubbery if you overcook it. And voila guys, there you have it. Our spicy garlic and herb grilled shrimp is done. This is the end of our grilling process, and I'm going to proceed it by serving. And I will be serving this with a bit of lettuce, followed by drizzling the shrimp using my dip sauce I showed to you earlier on. And it will be time at that point to start eating. Yay! Yum! Okay my friends, this brings the end to our today's video. As you guys know, your girl Estelle needs your support, and our subscribers are growing, and we are not far from 10,000 subscribers. So my friends and families, make sure to keep sharing the video, spreading the word, and help your girl Estelle to reach her goal. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up, and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay friends and families, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.